Mexican.
Yeah, exactly right. Except you're driving home on the absolute limit. Now, the start is going to be very interesting. This is the highest grip surface we've ever seen in Formula E, and it's a lot of the race today.
Are you ready?
Rangers Mega Force! Troy Jejek Emma!
On board, set the camera.
Towards the first corner.
Wait.
On the left, on pole position, it's Alex Lynn. Alongside him is his compatriot in the 27 blue and white BMW, Jake Dennis. Here come the lights. All 5 lights are on. And we go green in London.
Hey, Rafael! Big turn up the space run!
Chops over to cover the inside. Dennis holds into second place. Sets in camera. Is getting passed by Andre Locke.
Hey, Rafael! Big turn up the space run!
And that's a really good move from the German. Norman Netto is under big pressure from Lucas Di Grassi. Now they burst out into the daylight.
Rangers Mega Force!
Hung out to dry there and people as they drop down the hill and there's a crash there.
Troy!
Sims has gone in and Mitch Evans
Gia!
damage to the
Jake!
front of his car.
Emma!
Sims looks like he's out of the race.
Rosa! Rosa!
Second place, they burst clear.
Kacau!
In the Nissan,
Dikit-dikit kacau. Dikit-dikit kacau.
turn 10 and 11 for the
Woo!
first time. One of them, Hindras, looks to be out of the running. The other is leading the race, Dario.
Absolutely. Alexander Sims.
Bis Inggris.
And he, as you say, Jack, was just
Aku orang iso Inggris.
terminal. And there's a yellow flag at turn 6 as well.
Bendera
This is a full
kuning.
course yellow or a
Yeah,
safety
yeah,
car,
yeah.
unless they could get that car off the track, because it's a very tight part of the track. As you see, Sebastian Buemi in 3rd place in the black and red Nissan, locking up into turn 16.
And then the 4th place car of Andre Lotter are locked up also.
Wih.
Mr. Grassi is having to fend off Nick de Vries.
Cuacanya mendung di Inggris.
He makes his way past Tom Blomqvist for 17th place. But look at this, as they come back
Tunnel.
inside again into the arena, and it is the 2 British drivers battling for the lead. And there's a full course yellow.
Wah. Tempatnya kayak
Rafael!
Course
Ya
yellow,
kan?
everybody
Kayak
has
Aerover
to
tuh.
slow down to safety car, a safe speed.
rusak.